Today I'm reviewing this keyboard cleaning kit. For such a small little kit, it really packs a lot of punch. It comes with directions so you know what each little tool does, and built into the case, along with all those great little parts in there, but built into the case is a cleaning brush. So you can clean your keyboard of all those little nooks and crannies that get stuck in there. And there's a special little brush if you have some AirPods or any type of ear devices. And you know, when you get down deep in there, little pieces really get stuck and you can't get to it. So there's a nice elongated piece so you can get deep down in there and clean. And sometimes earwax gets stuck in your earpiece, so there's a nice little piece so you can pick out any little pieces of earwax in there. And on the side is a little brush. So on your phone, you can clean the speaker and the earpiece. Super easy, really useful. Also is included a cute spray bottle, so it's very convenient to clean your screen. And built into the toolkit is a cleaning cloth. Super convenient. Also built into the little case is a key removal. So if you really get big chunks stuck underneath your keyboard, you can pull the keys out. I totally recommend this little small and mighty cleaning kit. It really packs a lot of punch into such a small little case.